I think ये जो आज की generation है, they have many amazing qualities as well. If you look at how adept they are at digital media, social media,
New ways
content
of media
creation,
content
new ways of communicating,
communication.
the older generation would not know where to begin.
क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या हुई कि जो बच्चा पहले जो मेरे बड़े हैं जिन्होंने सिंपल बीए किया हुआ है उनके लिखने की कैपेसिटी और मैंने स्पेशलाइजेशन करके मैं उस लेवल पे नहीं लिख सकता जिस लेवल पे वो एक सिंपल बीए बंदा लिख लेता था। तो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पर आ रही है कि जहाँ पर ये सोसाइटी के अंदर इतना वॉलेटाइल हो रहा है, एज अ सोसाइटी एज एजुकेटर्स आर वी फेलिंग, और कोई प्रॉब्लम है जो हम आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पा रहे?
So I don't know if this is just kind of about our society. So you started off, your question was about negativity versus positivity. So you are, anywhere in the world, negative news sells.
Self.
Okay, and nobody is really interested in positive news unless it's something like really major, like cure for cancer or something, which I hope inshallah comes about one of these days. But generally, I think it is a global phenomenon. I don't know, maybe it has something to do with the human psychology. Maybe people are more attracted to negativity. I honestly, I don't know, maybe a psychologist might be better equipped
answer this.
to answer this. But I do feel that it is a global phenomenon. I mean, you open up CNN and, the front page is all Trump bashing, everything negative that they can
आज तो
think
वो मैं
of.
देखा था, वो क्रिसमस कोई बाजार था उसके ऊपर।
या हाँ,
हाँ
मैं CNN की स्पेसिफिकली बात कर रहा हूँ, वो तो उनका फ्रंट पेज
जी जी जी
हमेशा
जी
इज एंटी डोनाल्ड
एंटी
ट्रम्प. आई डोंट
डोनाल्ड
नो,
ट्रम्प।
आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ हिज, but I don't hate him as much as they do. But yes, anything that is negative is going to get traction
जो
and
सेकंड पार्ट
attention.
जो तालीम का लेवल था,
जी जी जी
जिस
जी
तरह लिखने का वोकैबुलरी और जो वो चीजें थी तलफ़ुज़,
जी.
वो आपको लगता नहीं कि अब जो वाली जनरेशन में थोड़ा कम हो गया?
um I don't know. I mean, it really depends who one is speaking to,
सही।
because and where the person went for schooling, right? So it is possible कि I think ये जो आज की generation है, they have many amazing qualities as well. For example, if you look at how adept they are at digital media, social media,
New ways of
content
media
creation,
content
new ways of communicating, the older generation would not know where to begin. But ultimately, it does depend on your basic schooling and education. So, I would say that if somebody went to a good school, even today, they should be able to compete favorably. ये मुझे मलेशिया के अंदर भी, क्योंकि हम स्कूल्स ऑपरेट करते हैं, उधर ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा सुना जाता था, और उसकी एक बड़ी स्पेसिफिक रीज़न थी. It's because the older generation went to schools in which English was the medium of instruction.
सही है।
Then Mahathir Mohamad decided at some point that he was going to change
Yes.
the medium of instruction to the local language. And so then over there was a very stark comparison between when we opened schools there. It was in 2004, 2005, 20 साल हो गए हैं. So there was a very stark comparison in terms of communication skills between people who went to school in the, I don't know, 60s and 70s and some of the younger people. Over here, I think it really varies from person to person. It's hard to say. But I think the new generation is quite amazing as well. They have a lot to
दे आर,
offer.
बट आई थिंक
Yeah.
जो रीडिंग हैबिट्स थी ना,
हाँ.
जो पहले लोग पढ़ते थे, अब वो रिटेंशन टाइम कम
No,
हो गया, नाउ इट्स मोर
I
ऑफ
agree
वीडियो
on that.
कंटेंट।
I agree on that. And I feel that unfortunately over there, technology has a lot to, I mean, I can give you my own personal example. I used to read a lot. I don't read now as much as I used to. I think technology has a lot to do with that. These short form messages, short form communication, unnecessary abbreviations, 30-second reels. As you know, there are apps in which literally every day on Instagram I get ads ke, why bother to read 5 books? इस ऐप के ऊपर उन्हीं 5 किताबों की सिनॉप्सिस आपको मिल जाएगी, उसका जो भी जिस्ट है वो आप
सुन लें
5 सेकंड्स के अंदर या 5 मिनट के अंदर आप
पर वो जो
सीख सकते
प्रोसेस
हैं
है ना, वो सारा जब कोविड आया तो मैं हमेशा कहता था कि यूनिवर्सिटी डिग्रीज और तो वो आप ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से भी ले रहे हैं
जी,
पर वो जो प्रोसेस है ना, गोइंग टू यूनिवर्सिटी, ड्रेसिंग अप और साथ दोस्तों से मिलके,
नहीं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट
वो
है।
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो वो
हाँ,
किताब पढ़ने का जो पूरा प्रोसेस है, असल लर्निंग तो वो है।
जी जी जी, किताब पढ़ने का या सोशलाइजेशन, interaction, whether it is with your teachers or with fellow students. So yeah, that is really important.